Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Now we use green color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we mix green color. Mix. Now we mixing the color of green. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Green color, green color. First we draw the letter of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for goat. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we use the color of red. Now we use the color of red and draw J. J for joker. The next one is K. Now we draw the letter of L and the next one is N. N for nose. O for orange. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun. And now we draw T. The next one is U. Now we draw V. V for van. Kids, now we draw W. The next one is X. Now we draw Y. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we draw numbers. Now we use the color of black. Kids, now we use black color. The number of 1. The next one is 2. And now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. And now we draw 7. And the next one is 8. We again use black color and now we draw 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.